The holiday shopping season is a time retailers count on, but this year they may not make enough. Let's bring in our Tyler Orton with Business in Vancouver. Good morning, Tyler.
Hey there, Jennifer.
So can you tell us, how does the lack of cross-border shopping factor into the Christmas shopping season?
Well, I think a lot of retailers were hoping it'd be good for them with those borders closed. But the fact of the matter is that online sales are eating away a lot of those in-store visits. And Amazon, the American giant, well, it's been benefiting from that quite a bit. So these retailers, they're in for a tough ride this holiday season. A new report from PwC reveals that average spending is going to plummet 31% to just over $1,100 compared with last year. 86% of Canadians say that they're going to be spending either the same or less money. And 57% say that the pandemic has had a negative impact on spending as well. The other thing to note, those millennials as well as Gen Zs, they're saying that they're actually going to be the demographic that will be spending the most. I think it's because perhaps just more disposable income, especially if many of them have had to move home.
Okay, interesting. And how about this story? It's new this morning. Music sensation is making it big with investors. What can you tell us about BTS?
I was a little floored by the numbers, but Big Head Entertainment, that is the label for the K-pop sensation. Their company went public on the South Korean markets, initially selling shares at $154 a pop. Those shares surged upon their debut overnight, more than 90%, and they're now trading at $297 each. These are Canadian dollars, and that means a total raise in this initial public offering of more than $1 billion for Big Hit Entertainment at this point. Now, each BTS band member, they have 68,000 shares. So their personal fortunes are up by about $20 million as of today.
That is unbelievable, but they are a very talented young group of men for sure. So popularity gets them the money, I guess. Thanks so much. They deserve it. Absolutely. Working hard. Thanks. That's Tyler Orton with Business in Vancouver.